Hi everybody and welcome back. Here's how you can use the VN Video Editor, a video editing app on your phone where you can edit some stuffs, edit videos, and then you can put some overlay, crop it, put some effects, and so on. So to start editing a video project, tap on the plus symbol on the bottom right, tap on new project, make sure it's video based, tap on save, and then let's say if we start from this video of mountains. So here we have this video of this mountain. So let's say if we delete this, hit delete, leaving only the footage with these mountains and this river. To shorten a footage, simply trim it just like so. Trim it so that you can decrease the duration of the footage or the clip, just like so. Then tap on the check mark icon on the bottom right, just like so. You can even, add some stickers. That will be the overlay. So tap on the image icon, on the third row. Tap on photos, videos, that's to say. And then let's say if we use this footage of this sea, this ocean alongside the sky and the clouds, something like that, we're going to mask it from here, I guess so. Hold on. From this time. And then we're going to mask it. To do this, swipe right, and then we're going to we're going to mask it. Tap on mask, and then look for the linear one, and then start masking from here, and then drag the the down arrow so that we can actually make the edges blurry, just like so. And then afterwards you can add some keyframes, maybe starting from here. Tap on keyframe on the bottom left side, and then from this time you simply bring it down, just like so. Then you can increase the blur amount for the bottom side by dragging the down arrow just like this, and then you can make it tilted by rotating the masking area just like this. And then when it's done, it will look like this pretty much. Fancy, isn't it? You've added your custom sky, just like so. Well, you can, move the sky to the right if you want, by, but first tap on the check mark icon, and then, you can, zoom in, I guess, and then for the motion, the keyframe is set, and then let's zoom it again, and then place it to the right slightly, and then rotate it a bit, just like so. Hold on. And then when it's done, it will look like, hold on, it will look like this. Ooh, fancy. Now, the clouds are moving based on, the position of the footage, just like this. Pretty fancy, right? Zoom it in again, and then simply you want to put it to the right side again, just like so. Now that's fancy. You can either, do chroma key. So there will be a footage of somebody with a background behind, and then you tap on chroma so that the background disappears. You can do some blending. Tap on blending, and then you can either darken, multiply, or color burn, or maybe screen, color dodge, even, overlay. Tap on the check mark, and notice the difference. So hold on. Only the clouds are visible from here. The darker area, which is the dark side of the footage that acts as the overlay, gets blended with the sky in the footage of mountains, just like so. Whoops. And then tap outside of the overlay. You can even add some text, music, something like that. I won't be adding any music to avoid myself from copyright infringement. So I'll add some text around here. Tap on title. Maybe like select the one with masking, just like so. And then I type like wow, for example. Then I can change the font type to this. The font type, I'm going to opt for a bolder one, just like this, and then tap on the checkmark icon when you're done. And then drag the text slightly to the left. And then from here, you can add keyframes. For example, after 2 seconds, add a keyframe, tap on the keyframe icon, and then afterwards, you go to 6 seconds, just like this. Zoom in. Just like this. Hold on. And then you can edit the curve. You can choose quartile so that it looks like this pretty much. And then when it's done, it will look like this. Like so. Fancy, isn't it? You can even add some effects for the original footage with the mountains by tapping on effects. Then you can like do some unique effects, like dreamy glow, for example. Oh, fancy. It's warm now. Can opt for fuzzy opening. I'm not going to do that. What else? Tap on X. We don't want that. Well, we're going to add filter instead. So we're going to look for a filter that makes the mountain look vibrant. Which one though? This will do. Tap on the checkmark icon. Wow, it's pretty much done. That's how you can edit videos using the VN video editor, as easy as that. Thank you for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. From me, it's good day. Ciao.